Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my kitchen, Alice Yummy Food. Today I want to show you how to make these mini chocolate and peanut butter plant-based desserts. I love chocolate and peanut butter mix, and together it's like a heaven come through, you know. If you're following any of the dietary restrictions or you can't eat certain ingredients, this recipe will be perfect for you as it has no dairy, no gluten, no refined sugar and no eggs. Now we're gonna make our meringue. Into your stand mixer add your chickpea juice and then start whisking it on low to high speed with whisk attachment. This might take a while, just be patient, just keep going until it starts to become nice and foamy. Go ahead, add a pinch of lemon juice, your sugar and vanilla extract and keep mixing until it becomes nice and fluffy, just like so. You're then going to set this aside. Into a bowl, add your smooth peanut butter with milk, sugar, and mix everything together. I do like to use an electrical whisk to make it nice and smooth. And then add a little bit of your coconut cream, mix everything one more time. Add a bit of milk and vanilla extract and mix everything one more time. You should get nice smooth mixture just like so. And now we're gonna add half of our whipped meringue from our chickpeas inside, mix everything together. You do want to be quite gentle because it deflates pretty quickly, so just keep going. Go ahead and add more liquid sweetener of your choice if you wish to make it sweeter. Mix everything together and set this aside. Now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our chocolate mousse. Over here I've got my melted dark chocolate. Go ahead, add your vanilla extract and sweetener and just mix everything together until you get nice smooth chocolate. Add everything into your coconut cream and mix everything together one more time until it's nice and smooth. Then you're going to incorporate your meringue together with your melted chocolate. So add 1 spoon at a time and gently mix everything together. Go ahead and fold everything together until you get beautiful chocolate mousse. Once your chocolate mousse is done, we're going to place it into a piping bag and we're going to do the same with our peanut butter mousse. Over here I've got my silicone mold. I'm going to use round tins just like so. First thing we're going to do, I've melted some extra chocolate and I'm going to coat it around the spheres because we want to create a nice chocolate outer layer, and you're going to place this into the freezer to set for about 10 to 15 minutes. You're then going to go ahead and start piping your peanut butter mousse all over inside. Okay, and then we're gonna shake it a little bit just like so, and then add raspberry jam right in the middle. This is optional, I just really like peanut butter jelly. And then we're gonna add our chocolate mousse all over. Make sure you cover your jam and your peanut butter mousse. Just go all the way around and pipe your mixture. Then you want to take your spoon and gently spoon it around and make sure it's nice and even. Place your desserts into the freezer for about 30 minutes or so until they're frozen on top. And then melt more dark chocolate, again this is optional, and coat the bottoms of your dessert, and that's how it should look. And place it back in the freezer. And after several hours your dessert will be done and it looks just like this. Look how gorgeous they are. You can of course decorate more with some raspberries or whatever you like, and I'm just going to show you how it looks inside. Look how beautiful and colorful this looks. Absolutely amazing. I hope you try these. We've got a really nice chocolate coating on top and the bottom. We've got our chocolate mousse, peanut butter mousse, sharp raspberry center, and it's best eaten when it's cold. The dessert still tastes great when it's a bit warmer, but you need to eat it cold, otherwise it's gonna melt. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.